Hey there, Tech Fam. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, no unboxing, no review. Today, we're talking about a smartphone that's caused such a massive storm in the tech world that people have literally lost their minds. And let me tell you straight up, this is not just another phone. This is the kind of device that'll make you say, yo, this is straight up insanity. The name of this monster, the Sony Xperia Pro 1 Ultimate. So without wasting any time, let's dive into this explosive concept and take a full tour. Oh, and before we go any further, if you love taking photos or if you're all about exploring revolutionary changes in technology, make sure you smash that like button and hit subscribe. Alright, let's get into it. Design and look. First up, let's talk about the killer design. Folks, this concept is so unique, I'm just gonna say it, you've never seen anything like this in your entire life. Now, looking at the front, it looks like a modern flagship phone. No notch, no punch hole, just a massive, jaw-dropping display. But the real story, it's written all over the back. Sony has split the back panel into two parts. One part is your smartphone. The other part, a full-blown 500-megapixel DSLR camera module. Yeah, I'm not joking. We're talking about the same powerful lens you'd find on a professional photographer's camera. Just imagine, when you're holding this phone, people are gonna ask, bro, is that a camera or a phone? And you'll just smile and say, both. Yes, it's gonna be a bit heavier. But that weight gives you a different kind of confidence, the feel of premium quality. And we're not even talking aluminum or plastic here. The body shell, made of magnesium alloy, the same stuff used in professional DSLRs. The phone stays light, but it's so tough that if you drop it, it might just leave a dent in the ground. And while Sony usually gives IP68 rating on their flagships, this time we're expecting IP69K. That means dust and water are no problem. You can leave it in the rain, take it through dirt, it won't flinch. You'll also get a dedicated camera grip, just like Sony's Xperia Pro lineup. With its own shutter button, zoom rocker, and video record button. This thing gives you the full camera experience. You'll feel like you're holding a real DSLR. The DSLR camera setup. Now let's talk about the heart of this beast, that 500-megapixel DSLR camera. I'll get a little technical, but I'll keep it simple. You've seen 200-megapixel phones, but 500 megapixels, and the two on a DSLR sensor. That means this sensor is massive in size. We're talking bigger than 1 inch, maybe even a 4/3 inch sensor. That's nearly 10 times larger than normal phone cameras. Here's the thing. The bigger the sensor, the more light it can capture. That means you'll be able to take crystal clear, daylight quality photos even in pitch black night. Noise, forget about it. If you've ever taken a night photo that came out grainy, those days are gone forever. And zoom, with this many pixels, you can zoom into a photo so deep that every tiny detail becomes crystal clear. Let's say you take a photo of a mountain. Zoom in, and you can actually see the texture of a bird's feathers sitting way off in the distance. No joke, 100x digital zoom is old news. We're talking 200x digital zoom. Plus, you get dual aperture support, like f1.8 and f4.0. Open up the lens for portraits with creamy background blur, or close it down for sharp landscapes and group shots. Professional control, right at your fingertips. And video, this thing can record in 16K. Yes, 8K is already outdated. You could shoot a short film in 16K resolution. And recording in 16K means you can pull stunning photos right out of your video footage. Add to that 4K slow-mo at 240 FPS and HD slow-mo at 960 FPS. Water flowing, birds flying, everything looks like cinema. On the software side, you'll get a killer version of Sony's signature apps, Cinema Pro and Photography Pro. With real-time eye tracking, and AI-based scene detection. So whether you're a pro or just using auto mode, you get amazing shots. You don't need to learn camera science, the phone figures it out for you. Display, a visual masterpiece. Now, what kind of screen do you need to view photos and videos this incredible? The answer, a legendary one. We're talking a 6.85-inch 4K HDR OLED display. 4K, because you obviously need a 4K screen to watch 16K video, right? This display will show 1 billion colors. Every color in the world, exactly as it should look. Red looks like real red. Blue looks like real blue. At a 144Hz refresh rate, scrolling, gaming, watching videos, everything is butter smooth. One swipe and it feels like your finger is gliding on oil. Peak brightness, up to 4500 nits. You can be standing in direct sunlight, editing photos or watching videos, and everything stays crystal clear. And to protect that gorgeous screen, Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 3. So if your phone slips, your heart doesn't have to. Performance, absolute monster. Now think about it. 500 megapixel photos, 16K videos, and this massive screen, what kind of processor do you need? Exactly. Something like a supercomputer. The heart of this phone would be the world's most powerful processor, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6. Built specifically for AI and camera processing. Made on a 2nm architecture, it's not only fast but also power efficient. Old processors heat up, this one stays cool while screaming fast. You're looking at 16GB or 24GB of LPDDR6 RAM, and storage from 256GB up to 1TB of UFS 5.0. UFS 5.0 means data read or write speeds are so fast you can copy 4K videos in seconds. So you can store and edit your 500 megapixel photos and 16K videos without any lag. To keep things cool during heavy gaming or camera use, there's a massive vapor chamber cooling system. You could edit 4K video for hours or play PUBG or COD on HDR graphics, the phone won't overheat. Your hands won't burn, and the game keeps running smooth. Battery and charging. Running all that powerful hardware needs a beast of a battery. And here it is, a 9000 mAh monster battery. With normal use, this thing will easily last 2 days. Wake up in the morning, pick up your phone, and the battery is still at 40%. Even if you're a heavy user, shooting photos, editing video, you'll get through the whole day without breaking a sweat. And charging, also insane. 120-watt ultra-fast charging takes it from 0 to 100% in just 20 minutes. Oh, and you also get 50-watt wireless charging. No cables, just place the phone on the charger and it starts juicing up. Plus reverse wireless charging, so you can charge your friends' phones or your earbuds. Friends' battery dead, your phone gives them life. Software and other features. One of Sony's specialities is a clean software experience. This phone would come with stock Android 16, pure Android. No bloatware, no unwanted apps secretly eating your data. Just the apps you want. But alongside that, you'll have Sony's own Pro apps, Cinema Pro, Photography Pro, Music Pro. Professional tools for professionals. The company could promise 3 years of Android updates and 5 years of security patches, so your phone stays new and secure for years. No more wallet pain from upgrading every year. And yes, stereo speakers, Dolby Atmos, 5G, Wi-Fi 7, everything will be there. Because when everything else is best, connectivity better be best too. Price and launch date. Now for the big question, with all of this, what's the price? Real talk, this is a concept phone. That means it's currently just an idea, technically possible, but not in production yet. But if this phone ever becomes reality, it's not gonna be cheap. With that advanced tech, DSLR sensor, magnesium alloy body, 4K display, estimates suggest it could cost between $1,500 and $1,800 in the US. Yeah, that sounds like a lot. But remember, this isn't just a phone. It's a phone and a professional DSLR camera combined. At that price, you're basically carrying an entire studio in one device. As for a launch date, right now, it's just a concept. But tech experts believe Sony is working on something like this. We might see a prototype by late 2026 or early 2027. So there you have it, fam, the full story of this unique concept, the Sony Xperia Pro 1 Ultimate. Now I wanna ask you, do you think a phone like this should become real? Would you spend that kind of money to buy it? And if this phone hit the market today, what would be the first photo you'd take with it? Let me know in the comments below. Peace.